All right, behind me we have the tile guys setting all of the flooring for the covered patios. We're working on our fire pit, getting our outdoor kitchen ready. We'll start running all of our touch-ups on our slurry on the exterior. So fine tuning here, but let's talk about fences because I don't know if anybody talks about fences. So this is an existing fence over here. And I want to mention some of the things that we won't be doing that this fence that the other property has. This is not our fence, this is the other property. So there are little things like, we really want a full post here. You can see where they've placed a small section of extra post. So ours will be a full post. The joints on the top cap are vertical. We really want these slanted mitered so that the fence moves as one. In this case, they're going to see some popping at each of these joints. So that's another thing. We don't want any exposed nails facing this way. We also want, let's just say there are 10 boards here. The next section should have 10 boards. So consistency from post to post. The support here and here is good. We want a 12-inch rot board. And then if we need to fill in the dirt, we can add another board, which is what we will do, and that they did a good job here. So again, just want to run through what we don't want to do when we build our fence. So we thought we'd share that.